In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for jobs on LinkedIn. This is perfect if you're just getting started with LinkedIn or you're not quite sure how to use the app to actually find real job opportunities. First, grab your phone and open the LinkedIn mobile app. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access all the features. Once you're on the home screen, look for the search bar at the top. This is where you're going to type in the kind of job you're interested in. For this example, let's say you want to look for a virtual assistant role. Tap on the search bar and type virtual assistant, then hit search. At first, LinkedIn might show you a mix of results like people, posts, and companies related to that term. To focus only on jobs, look for the Jobs tab or filter near the top of the screen and tap on it. This will narrow everything down so you only see open positions. Now you'll see a list of jobs being offered on LinkedIn that match virtual assistant. To see more than just a few suggestions, tap on Show All Job Results. This opens a full page where you can scroll through all the available roles, see different companies, and quickly skim job titles, locations, and sometimes salary ranges. As you scroll, you'll also notice that LinkedIn highlights companies related to your search. This is useful if you want to explore specific employers that regularly hire for virtual assistant positions. You can tap on a company name to view their profile, check out their other job listings, and get a feel for their culture before you apply. You'll also see posts related to virtual assistant jobs. These might be hiring announcements, tips from recruiters, or people sharing open roles. It's a good idea to explore these as well, because sometimes opportunities are shared in posts before they even appear as official job listings. Overall, all you really need to do is explore and get comfortable with the search results page. Take your time, scroll through, open job descriptions, and save any roles you're interested in. At the same time, be cautious and use your judgment. Always read the job details carefully, check the company profile, and be wary of anything that seems too good to be true. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any new uploads.